What's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you guys this 60-foot roll of LED RGB lights. They are app and phone controlled, and we're going to show you how we actually incorporated this in our brand new guest bedroom and how we installed it to make the room look super cool. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright guys, so this is the Logsonic flexible LED strip. It is app controlled, voice controlled. You can sync it with Alexa and Google, and it's 60 feet, which is important. Okay, so inside you get your receiver. You get only one spool, not two. You get all the cable adhesive, so the cable is nicely running across the wall. And then this is your power for the receiver. Let's look at the receiver. You only get one out. This is the remote, so you want to make sure that this sticks out somewhere where it's visible to this. Although you can, of course, use your phone as well to control this. You got this. This tells you what app to download. This is Bluetooth programmable as well, and this is a standard remote, so you can dim colors, you can do cycling themes, again different types of music, the way it hits, you have a delay as well, and you can program it as well. Just lay this out. Okay, so this is just a standard RGB strip. You can see that the LEDs are about 2.5–3 inches apart, which is not ideal, but it's going to give you that nice offset in my opinion. The backing is an adhesive, but it's super thin, so if you lay it on once and you don't like it and you want to change it, you're going to probably need to get a secondary double adhesive foam to apply on here. So you connect this into the support, and I like that these have these grips so you don't accidentally tear it. All right, and then let's take this and connect this to our receiver. All right, and here we go. So let's turn off the lights just so we can see how bright it is. I wish they were a little closer together, so we're gonna have to see if we want to exchange it or keep it. But let's go and play with the colors. So color. Oh, I like the way it fades. So of course it's got 60 million colors on the app, but here you just go through all the main ones. So this is your music mode, and this is your mode. So let's go music. Hello. So as you're speaking, you can see that it's changing colors. Now let's click music again. Hello. So now it completely fades out as you're speaking. Here's mode 3. Hello. So there's a more of a time you speak, it changes the color, but then does a nice soft fade. Next. Hello. This one is like really like when you're speaking, it quickly turns on. And then you get the different modes, of course, which are automatic. Color mode. And you also have soft fades like that. And of course you can dim and slow down each of these modes as well. So plenty of really cool features for the right price. And what we're going to be using it for is to drive an LED light upwards on the privacy slats. So we're going to essentially plug that in there. We're going to feed it this way, and we're going to start from this edge, going there, up, all the way around, down, and then up on the door, because this whole wall is going to be slatted with privacy slats. So let's go and add that at the very top and at the bottom. Right, so here it is. Now, to put the LED all the way up, we have to remove one of the slats. Now we're going to stick it all the way up there. We're going to go in there. We're going to drill a hole from there, and we're going to attach it at the very top. All right, so here is the LED lights. Now let's start adding in the slats. So we're using PL8X Strong just to put a very little dabs of glue across, and then this will help it adhere because we're only going to put in a few finishing nails. All right, so we are finished, and you can see that the lights have a nice offset right there, and we put them behind that piece of wood. So now it looks like it's a continuation on the bottom, and we did this on the door as well. So look how cool this looks, right? The remote works as well, right? Pretty happy with the lights. They're very bright at night, and you can dim them for a really nice atmosphere. So I'm going to show you what this room looks like late at night. Now let's change this up. Here you go. Now let's change the color, and let's change the brightness. So this is the lowest. So this is the lowest dimness level. This is the highest. Okay, yeah, this is the highest again. Hey Google, turn on guest room TV. There you go, and this is what it looks like with the TV. I definitely think this is really nice. So really happy with it.